Good morning, happy St. Patrick's Day. Here we are in our condo remodel in Inverness, where we did the kitchen remodel and 2 bathrooms remodel. We've been here about 10 weeks, and today's our last day here. We're doing the final inspections, and here in this kitchen remodel, we took out a wall here between the kitchen and the dining room and living room. We totally opened up the space and transformed it by opening it up. We put in cabinets here for an island of seating for 3, and this beautiful countertop from Cambria, which is all awesome looking. We put in the built-in fridge here, so there's lots of space between the island and the fridge. Cooler sink, low divide between the 2 bowls. We put in on the cabinet lighting, LED on cabinet lighting, which is dimmable. Show you here, it's beautiful. There's upper cabinet lights up in the 2 upper shelves. There's something real cool up here. There's a soft close door that hinges from the top, so it's easily accessible from above the microwave, so it's not hard to get at. These cabinets have soft close upper cabinet doors and soft close drawers, so there's no slamming on them. As I said, we're doing our final inspections here this morning, and the owners have moved in about a week. So thank you for watching, and we appreciate it a lot, and have a good day.